Keyboard shortcuts are very useful and most definitely increase your efficiencies while using Excel. Take for example the classic Control-C, Control-V shortcut and Control-Z to undo. However, if you don't use them that often or you've just got back from a long holiday, they can be easily forgotten. Unbeknown to many though, Excel displays a friendly reminder of these shortcuts when you hover over the equivalent toolbar icon. Control-C, and there we go, Control-Z to undo. This is a very quick and easy way, even quicker than Google, to refresh one's shortcut memory. One of the shortcuts that is worth remembering is the Alt plus equals for the AutoSum function. However, if you've forgotten it, we just go to Formulas, hover over AutoSum, and it gives it to me there in brackets. So Alt plus equals pops in my sum function, and I'm good to go.